Have you ever wondered why a woman will sleep with one man the same day she meets him, but make another man wait for weeks or months? Is it about her morals? Is she playing games? Or is there a deeper truth behind this behavior? Today, I'm going to break this down with complete honesty. No sugarcoating. By the time you finish this video, you'll understand women on a whole new level. Let's dive in. 1. Women categorize men immediately. The moment a woman meets you, she puts you in one of 3 categories. The fun guy. This is the man who triggers intense physical attraction. He's confident, flirtatious, and knows how to create sexual tension. Women will sleep with him quickly because the chemistry is undeniable, even if they know it's just physical. Husband material. This is the stable, reliable man she sees long-term potential with. She'll make him wait, not because she's not attracted, but because she wants to prove she's wife material and not easy, just a friend. This poor guy could wait forever and never get intimate. He becomes her emotional support, her handyman, her free Uber, but never her lover. 2. Sexual attraction comes first. If you want to sleep with a woman quickly, you need to spark her desire before trying to build emotional connection. Many men make the mistake of acting like a boyfriend before they've even kissed her, paying her bills, doing favors, being constantly available. But here's the truth. Women don't sleep with men because they've been nice for months. They sleep with men who make them feel intense attraction. This means flirting confidently, creating sexual tension, being physically bold without being creepy, showing you're a sexual being. 3. The waiting game is a test. When a woman makes you wait, she's often testing your patience, your confidence, whether you have other options, your self-worth. If you respond by begging, constantly texting, or rearranging your life for her, you fail the test. She loses respect because you've shown you're desperate. How to pass this test? Stay busy with your own life. Continue dating other women. Show through actions, not words, that you're high value. Be willing to walk away. 4. Women chase what they value. No woman brags, "I love him because he waited 6 months for me." They're attracted to men who are confident, independent, slightly mysterious, hard to get if you're always available, replying instantly, cancelling plans for her, orbiting her life. You become boring. Maintain your own life and let her come to you. 5. If she really wants you, she won't risk losing you. Here's the hardest truth. When a woman is truly interested, she won't make you wait months. She'll lock you down because she knows other women will want you too. If she's keeping you waiting while being vague about commitment, you're likely a backup option, an ego boost, just entertainment. Final advice. The ultimate solution. Stop waiting around hoping she'll choose you. Instead, 1. Improve your appearance, style, grooming, fitness. 2. Develop real confidence, not arrogance. 3. Build an interesting life. 4. Learn proper flirting techniques. 5. Always maintain your standards. When you become the prize, women won't make you wait. They'll worry about losing you instead. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever waited months for a woman who slept with someone else immediately? Did you eventually succeed, or was it a waste of time? What lessons did you learn? Be honest in the comments. Your story might help other men avoid the same mistakes. If you found this helpful, like and share this video. Subscribe if you haven't. We drop hard truths like this regularly. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. See you in the next video.